Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we have our Beauteque for March of 2019. Why are you doing March's unboxing in April? Because this is when they send it to me. At the end of March and early April. Beauteque usually sends their boxes out kind of late in the month, so I usually don't get them until like the next month, so that's why. So if you're interested in this box, all the information will be listed below. There's a link there, it's not an affiliate link. So the theme for this month is sweet as honey, which is exciting because honey is actually an amazing skincare ingredient. It's a moisturizing agent, it has antibacterial properties. Honey is great for your skin, so keep that in mind. If you ever see honey on your ingredient list, that's an important ingredient. So, oh fun. The first thing I see is from Farmstay, and I have, actually, is this from? Yes, this is something I got from Farmstay before. It's this huge lotion that I love. It's a face moisturizer. This is the Honey and Gold Wrinkle Lifting Essence. So this is something that goes on after your toner. And this is a glass bottle. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Oh my god. It reminds me of the NYX, that Honeydew primer. Anyway, this retails for $21.99. Lift your under eye bags and promote a youthful look with this Wrinkle Essence. Cleanse your face and apply toner, then apply a pea-sized amount to your skin and massage until fully absorbed. It has honey and gold extract. Both contain antioxidants that help prevent premature wrinkles. Yes, yes, yes. I will definitely use this when I'm out of my current essence. All right, the next product in here is, I don't know, but it says May Island. This is the Egg Mayonnaise Honey Hair Treatment. Let's see if it smells. It's sealed, but I can smell it. I just smell honey. Okay. This is huge too, wow. My hopes for this is that it's not going to be too heavy, because this is my issue with a lot of hair products that I get from subscription boxes. Every hair treatment pretty much that I've ever gotten in a hair box is just way too heavy for my hair. My hair isn't crazy thin, but it's definitely not thick. So anyway, restore your hair that's been damaged with this honey scented hair mask. It contains egg and honey extract, which helps strengthen hair, reduce frizz, and gives incredible shine. Wash your hair, apply a small amount, and let sit for 3 to 5 minutes. It can be used on damp or dry hair. If you have very damaged hair, apply a second coat and let sit for a minute longer. Oh, and this retails for $13. The next is by the SEM. This is the Honey Lip Treatment. This retails for $7. Contains honey extract, which helps lock in moisture. Also has SPF 10 to help protect from sun rays. A little goes a long way. Apply amount to your lips. And this also can be used as an overnight lip treatment. Cool. I love me a good lip balm. Ooh, fun. I've always wanted one of these. I have like big versions for like all over my face and like body, but I don't have a small one for my eye. So this is an eye massager. This retails for $7. Effectively promote healthy blood circulation to help reduce the puffiness around your eyes with this must-have massager. Gently roll under your eyes, starting at the inner corner to the outer edge. Get the full at-home spa treatment and use while wearing a sheet mask. You can always put these in like in the fridge, or I don't recommend putting them in the microwave, but the fridge to like keep cool around your eyes and stuff. So that's very cool. I'm very interested in that. The next is hand cream. I'm never interested in that. I will pass that on. This retails for $4.99. This is the Honey Hand Cream by Skylake. The next is the BioRace Propolis Repair 2-Step Mask. This retails for $7, and it's a 2-step, so you get like a peeling pad up here and then a sheet mask down here. Revitalize your skin in just 2 steps. Step 1 removes dead skin cells, while step 2 restores your natural barrier and brightens your skin complexion. So you peel first with this, and then you apply the sheet mask, let it sit for 20 minutes, take it off, and then cool. I'll actually probably use this today. So that was actually a great box. I love when they have like a theme like that, like honey or milk or something like that. I used to love it was the first Korean box I ever tried. It's called a Mimi box. They used to have themes like that. Like it would be a honey box or a tea tree box, or they would have like a princess box, and everything revolved around that theme. Or like an acne box, and everything was like an acne treatment or something like that. So I love that they did this month. This is probably one of my favorite boxes that I've ever gotten from them. So that was exciting. This was the only thing in there that I wasn't thrilled about. So I will actually just save this and throw it in with a giveaway. When I use things, when I like give things away like this isn't part of a giveaway. I'm not like, here, this is one of the things you could win. I just throw this in as like an extra. Because who the fuck wants to win a hand cream, whatever. So that was it. That was a great box. And again, I will leave all the information for this box in the description box below. Let me know what you liked from this box. Do you guys get any subscription boxes? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.